Hi Ma'am Jinling. My name is Julius po, Dador, from Quezon City, and I'm 35 years old. And currently working as a school registrar here in Concepcion Holy Cross College. Bali, nag-stay po ako dito sa bahay ng amo ko sa Concepcion Tarlac. And pumapasok po ako from Monday to Friday between 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. And meron pong napagsabi sa akin na pwede po ako sa ITIAP, one of the college dean department from social science, na sabi niya, sir, baka gusto ko daw mag-ITIAP. So I do research what is ITIAP. Then I found out na pwede pala talaga na makakuha ako ng degree holder, since yun po yung primary objective ko in life, ang makapagtapos at makakuha ng degree. Well, nakapag-work naman po ako, so nakatulong po yon sa assessment na ginawa sa akin ni Mama Jean hanggang sa ma-enroll po ako. Then, I'm collecting all my modules, and I see there is instruction from the classroom at yung introduction. Ito, bali, maraming salamat po at nakita ko po ito at makapag-join din. I'm happy, ma'am. I'm happy na one of your student in POM, Principle of Management. I know I can learn much and gain extra knowledge. At sana po pala rin, sana po pala rin makapagtapos na sa susunod na taon. Yun lamang po, salamat po.